grasp. To hold something firmly. Rinse. To remove soap with water. Comb. To untangle hair. Polish. To make something shiny. Leap. To jump high or long. Sprinkle. To scatter small pieces or drops. Blot. To soak up liquid. Iron. To remove wrinkles with heat. Shave. To remove hair with a razor. Flinch. To move suddenly from pain or fear. Pace. To walk back and forth. Scream. To make a loud, high-pitched cry. Gulp. To swallow quickly or in large amounts. Gasp. To take a quick, deep breath in surprise or shock. Squat. To sit down with your knees bent. Lean. To rest against something. Wipe. To clean by rubbing. Curl. To make something into a round shape. Saunter. To walk in a slow, relaxed way. Mutter. To speak quietly so others can't hear. Bawl. To cry loudly. Sob. To cry with short, quick breaths. Bark. To make a loud, sharp sound like a dog. Chirp. To make a short, sharp sound like a bird. Punch. To hit with a closed fist. Stomp. To step heavily. Duck. To lower your head quickly. Dive. To jump headfirst into water. Float. To rest on the surface of water. Row. To move a boat using oars. Pour. To make liquid flow out of a container. Trim. To cut a little off. Scrub. To clean with hard rubbing. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.